Let's learn about one more species that depends on a healthy chain of wetlands for both its wintering location in Central America and its breeding location in the United States.
Hi, my name is Kathy Viverette, and I'm a research associate for Virginia Commonwealth University's Center for Environmental Study. And we're here on the banks of the James River near Richmond, Virginia at VCU's Rice Center. And I'm going to talk about a beautiful little yellow bird called a Prothonotary warbler. And Prothonotary warblers used to be known as golden swamp warblers, and that's because they nest in forested wetlands along large tidal rivers throughout the Chesapeake Bay. And they are also neotropical migrant birds, which means although they spend their summers here on Chesapeake Bay and other areas in the southeastern United States, but then in the fall they go down to Central America and northern South America, and they spend their winters in forested wetlands along Panama Bay and also along the Caribbean. We've been studying Prothonotary warblers here in Virginia since 1987. The population in the United States had been declining, and one of our faculty members, Dr. Charlie Blim, knew that these birds would nest in nest boxes, just like bluebirds, which is very unusual for warblers. So he and his students and volunteers put out nest boxes all along the wetlands in the James River. We have over 600 nest boxes here. And because it takes a village, we have a team warbler, and we not only have VCU faculty and volunteers and students, we work with middle school children in the area. They actually build the nest boxes for us, and then they come out and we go and talk to them about migrant birds and about the importance of wetlands, and they come out and learn about research, learn about migratory birds. And now we're working with Panama Audubon Society. We're taking our students down to Panama in the winter so they can learn about Prothonotary warblers in the habitats where they live during the winter, and we're also working with middle school children in Panama. And we're trying to make connections because for a migratory species to be conserved, we have to not only protect the areas where they breed, we have to protect the areas where they winter, and we have to protect all the areas in between. So it takes more than just the United States, it takes more than just people in the Chesapeake Bay. We have to work with people in Panama, and we have to work together to conserve those habitats and to conserve those birds.
That little warbler makes quite a journey.